In today's video, you will learn how to use Schedule Insights in Child Care Seer. Schedule Insights allows you to see at a quick glance at the number of teachers and students you have scheduled for different classes. This unique view into your business enables you to identify both problems and opportunities with your daycare schedule. You will quickly see gaps in coverage of teachers scheduled, times when you have planned too many teachers, or when to scale back to improve labor profits. It will also give you warnings when child ages are not respected in rooms and capacity issues with classes. From the dashboard, I select Schedule Insights in the top center of my screen. Seer now presents me with a breakdown of all the classes in my daycare. I can choose to view these either a single day or the whole week into the future. Within each class, I see numbers as I scroll down through the class. These numbers show the ratio of teachers to children planned throughout the day as they check in and out of the class. Seer will highlight each time frame within a class with one of three colors: orange, blue, or pink. Blue indicates no problem during that time period. Pink signals that I have an issue that I must address to remain compliant with licensing. These can be things such as not having enough teachers assigned to a class or not having the child age respected in the room. Orange indicates an area that I might think about changing to improve my business profits or efficiency, such as having more teachers than I need at a time. On the right-hand side, Child Care Seer automatically highlights these different issues separately. In the case of a pink box where action is required, Seer enables me to assign a teacher from this same screen, saving me valuable time and ensuring my daycare stays in compliance. Now you know how to use Schedule Insights in Child Care Seer to keep your daycare running smoothly and earn more profits. Thanks for watching.